What's up guys, and welcome back to the Minecraft modding tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to make your own multi-textured block. And for example, a multi-textured block is block log, because the logs that you chop down to start with to get your planks and things, they have that circular sort of texture at the top, and then they have the bark texture down the side. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own multi-textured block. So to do this, what you'll need to do, you'll need to go into your common proxy file, and you'll need to create a new block. You'll need to have the class just here, so you do new, and then the class here, and this is the class that I've created. Then you can set its ID, you can set the block index data, but you don't actually need to do that, because when we put in the code so we can have multi-texture, it will actually override this. And then you've got the material, set the block name, set hardness, set resistance, set creative tab, and then you'll need to register the block. And then if you want to add a name, you can in the client proxy file. So now to continue, what you'll need to do, you'll need to go ahead and copy all the stuff from the block forge test that we had done before. So if you hadn't seen that video on how to create a block, then you'll just need to go ahead and copy all this into your new file, block multi-texture. Doesn't matter what it's called, I've just named it that for the moment. And then I have deleted the getString file because I actually don't want it to use any of my custom textures. I just wanted to use the default sprite sheet. But if you wanted to use your own sprite sheet, then by all means add this bit here and change where the file is, and you'd also have to preload the texture as well. So if you haven't seen that video on how to texture a block or item, then go check that out if you want to know how to do that. But now let's get to this video, and this video is going to show you how to multi-texture. So I've made this little bit of code here. It's a very small amount of code to do multi-texturing, but this is all you need, so I'm going to go ahead and copy that, and you literally just paste it in down here. And I added this little bit here just to tell you what part 1 equals. So you've got your method here, int part 1, and int part 1 is the side, which side of the block. So if part 1 equals 0, which is the bottom side, so I've put 0 equals bottom, it will return a texture, so you can choose whichever texture you want. So if I go into the block file just here, I can go ahead and look at which int I want. So I could go for gravel, and that is 19, and then you can just paste that in there, and that will make the bottom texture as gravel. And now what this says, if part 1 equals 1 and part 1 is the top side of the block, then I can go ahead and choose something else. So I could go ahead and choose block gold, and that's 23, so you need to replace this. And then this colon and this bit after is for all the other sides of the block. So that's 2 to 5, and that's the other sides of the block, so not the bottom, not the top, but the 4 around the outside. And I can choose that to be anything as well. You could choose it to be gold again, but I'm going to choose it to be iron, so that's 22. So now once that's done, and you've made sure you've registered your block so it doesn't crash or anything, you need to go ahead and launch Minecraft. So now that it's launched, it'll search for the mods, which takes a few seconds. It's found the mods, and here we are. So now you can go ahead and choose your world, create one if you haven't already done. And as you can see, I've got some blocks here. So the top is gold. Look, the top is gold, and that is what we set it to, 23. The sides are iron, all the sides are iron. That's 22. And then the bottom side is gravel, and and that's, oh god, and that's 19. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if it's been helpful, please give it a like. If you want to continue following my Forge Modern series, then subscribe to my channel, or subscribe to my forum post on on the Minecraft forums. And if this has been helpful, please subscribe, as I said, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.